Welcome. My name is Mortician. Behind you is Slip, and you are currently witnessing us on the Lone Wolf Bridge at the haunting hour. Um, it's supposedly haunted. Now, it's said that whenever you're walking on the bridge, that you'll see a man, and with that man, he'll disappear as soon as he walks past you and you turn around. The legend is that supposedly someone died on the bridge by either falling or getting pushed. We're going to try and figure that out today. The first thing we're going to use is this device right here. Now, one thing I will let you know is I'm not touching the button. Switching hour. One thing that will happen is with certain people is they'll hold this button down, and what that does is it makes it spark. Right now, it's sparking. It's not my watch. That must be good news though. But let's go ahead and go on the bridge real quick and see what we can find. Yeah, it's still going.
Try turning it off and on.
No, it's still. I'm not even touching the button. Oh, there we go. It is right there. It's still sparking, but it's not red. It is red over there. Let me try again.
For everyone that didn't know, this is actually our second time on
Yes.
the Lone Wolf Bridge. We had some camera issues the first time. One camera just apparently didn't want to record, and the camera that we are currently using, apparently we actually accidentally muted the audio for the whole time. So we are back.
That was like an hour and a half of all footage that just was completely mute too. I went to go edit it and it was all mute. And not only was it mute, it's slow motion.
It's weird.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the oh, that was my phone. Okay. Debunk that. That was my phone. So yeah, it goes off of electromagnetic fields like phones. So oh, I'm gonna drop my phone. Woo! Yeah, I think another picture. Still have them outside. Okay. So right here, you have it's not going off anymore. Right, it's going crazy down there. Ooh. I wonder if that's a haunted area, not the actual bridge itself. If there are any spirits, entities, ghouls that would like to come out and speak with us, you may. I have a device in my hand. If you touch it, such as so. Well, that's a bad example. My phone did not turn it on, but it will turn on. I'm gonna set this right here. Okay, so if I touch it, oh, okay, so it goes off when you touch it too. Like if I, so you could touch it and it'll turn off, like go off too. If you're here and you want to speak with us, we welcome it. Not a freaking dot, but it worked down there. So for this camera, we were down at the truck walking up, and when we were walking up, it was going off. Um, I even turned it off and turned it back on, and it was still going off. So I'm wondering, maybe the bridge isn't what he's exactly haunting. Oh, that was a cool green. Sorry, pick it up. So walking around, there are any spirits here who want to talk. We welcome it. We want to speak with you. Supposedly, someone died here, and there's a man that walks the bridge. We want to talk to that unknown man and that spirit that died here. Set these down and take off the I almost said EMP. One of them at least. I brought two, but I brought the one that actually records. That's my idea. Let me know if that does go on.
Something's on in your bag.
Oh shit! How do you turn the light? No, no. All right, we're doing our first test right now. Is there anyone out there? What's your name? You smell that, right? Like a, you know what they say about demonic forces? They smell like egg. Is that you that we're smelling? That stinky ass smell?
Oh,
It's instantly gone. Oh, it's back. Dude, that's reeks.
these lights are acting weird now.
Yeah, you notice that too? Yeah, they're actually fucking. Are you good? Do you want to harm us?
Oh, okay. I hear some ducks.
How do I play this? It's saved. Cool.
Lovely. That's definitely all the spirit talking right
That's
there.
the spirits right there. They're talking.
We've got a British spirit for those that didn't know.
How do I switch over? No, I don't want to hear this again.
We will review the recording, and if we see anything or hear anything, we'll splice it into the video.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll listen to it. We'll splice it. That's funny. Welcome to.
British spirits talking, thanking us for our purchase.
You know what would be perfect is if this smell is what supposedly it's supposed to be. If we did the spirit box real quick.
Yeah, pull out the spirit box. Oh.
Oh damn, that's going fast. Oh, sure. Hello. Hello.
Are there any spirits here with us tonight?
Who farted? I could have sworn they said who farted. My eyes are burning right now. From that smell. Is that you that I'm smelling that's making my eyes water? Alright, another hello. We welcome you to come forward and talk with us. We want to speak with you. I think it's the least you can do for giving me pink eye.
Oh.
Dude, I swear, it smells like someone ripped ass.
right in your eye.
Was that you that was smelling? Loud music. That was clear. I don't know what I said after review on camera.
Sounded like it was in Spanish.
Is it this bridge that's haunted, or is it where we were at before?
Yeah, I feel like we're getting less action on the spirit box than we did the first time.
Yeah, last time we got we got more. I just said got more. We got more last time than we are this time right now. Talk in this box. If you want to speak with us, you can talk in this box and we can hear you, but you need to speak loudly. I'm becoming more demanding.
Ugh.
That's cool. I don't know what it said, but it paused and said something. That's still just on green. I feel like if we do down there, we'll get something.
We can go down there. We may as well set up the bells while we go down there.
Yeah. Oh shit. It's in my pocket. I'm bringing the whole bag. I don't want anyone stealing it. I wonder if the person who died was in Spanish. Or was Mexican, not in Spanish. He didn't die in Spanish.
Don't you want to set up the bells?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I was going to sit down there and work our way up. Oh, actually, no, you're right. We should start up here. Because if we hear something while we're down there. Damn. Huh. Nice. I forgot the bells.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you leave them in the back of the truck?
No, they're on my that snake cage that I made. Well, no bells today. That'll be for the hotel. Once I can afford the hotel. It's not expensive, but I mean it could be cheaper.
I don't think the price is too bad. It's just
This is the 2
broke
weeks.
boys
Right.
be broke.
Yeah, this is the 2 weeks we have to pay, right? What'd you do if while I was in the SS method you see someone like running towards us on the bridge? Just
Ugh.
a shadow figure, just
I'd run toward it.
You
with my
better
pants
get
down.
me up.
I'd run toward it with my pants down. Seems like the only logical answer.
We were supposed to have a second cameraman, but he slept through. He's fired. No. Yeah, take a word to the SS method down here. Oh, some of you guys didn't realize or hear whenever we had the cameras off. Well, one of the cameras off. I charged this camera up to full battery, and we're already halfway down, and we're not 20 minutes into this investigation.
That's why you always bring a backup battery.
Look at that. I don't think they want to be contacted. They just went to green. But
You're reminding me of Phasmophobia right now.
I had the thermometer, but then I realized it's cold all over.
Yeah, there's just no point in taking temps, sir.
Alright. We're gonna set that there.
Oh, nice, a belt. Lovely.
Part where you hang.
Oh my gosh, no, that is a newish belt.
Sorry, I know I'm not making you double up. I'm just gonna put on the blindfold speech impediment. I just heard someone's here.
Get closer so I can make sure I pick up the audio.
This is all I'm going to be able to hear. That's all I'm going to be able to hear. I'm going to blindfold myself. That was weird. I'm going to blindfold myself and then Split. I'll bleep that out. Split's going to ask some questions, see if we can get anything through the SSN. Again, we're amateurs, so just stick with us. We'll get better. I made this out of my Austin shirt. I'm just kidding. That's creepy. Hearing stuff like that when you're blindfolded. Let me fix these headphones. There we go. Welcome to today's episode.
Thank you for purchasing.
The dude I intro for us.
Are there any spirits here with us tonight?
Hello.
How many spirits are here with us at this moment?
Odd. You would have made it so faster. I don't.
Is there anyone that would like to communicate with us?
He's going to one ear. Oh, it said something. It said something. I couldn't understand it, but the voice was very like groggily and deep.
Did you die here on this bridge?
Doesn't feel right. What's wrong?
Were you pushed off of this bridge?
Probably.
Talk to a magic 8 ball.
Excellent.
How many spirits are with us tonight?
I'm not repeating that one.
Is there anyone that would like to communicate
We
with
have
us?
to live. I feel like I'm gonna get hit by a car. Something in Spanish. Say AL. How are we going to?
Is there anyone that would like our help tonight?
Getting closer? I think that's what I said. Getting closer.
Are you getting closer?
More Spanish. Well,
I don't think there are any wells around here, to my knowledge.
well, it's you.
Ah, well, it's me. Fair enough.
Now that I just, I said now that I just, and then like mumbled something. Oh, nasty. In the end, how do I something meditate if you want? Whoa. It like went silent and it said something like in Spanish but angry. Ha 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 ha. Yo.
Yo, mama. Huh.
I thought you left.
What?
I thought you left. I felt like I was alone.
We should probably go ahead and change the battery out on this one.
All right. If there's any spirits out there, we welcome you to come talk to us. You could talk to my friend Slip right here. He's in.
Lily?
Okay. Lily? Is your name Lily?
Ew. Creepy breathing?
Creepy breathing. Oh, I just got chills. Okay. I think this was right. Lily, would you like to talk?
Spanish?
Would you like to talk with us? We'd really like to talk with you.
Do you?
Yeah, we most definitely do. Is there anything that you want to say out there? Let the people know about where you're at. I'm giving it some time because it's like a newscast, a delay between us and them.
Frightened?
You're frightened? What are you frightened of?
Jesus Christ?
That's not good. Why are you frightened of Jesus Christ? I just heard something. I don't know if that. Are you what we smelt earlier? That bad smell?
Old road.
This is an old road, yes.
On occasion.
Were you what we smelt? Is that why you're afraid of Jesus Christ? Oh, he heard something. Hey,
Perfect.
I'm going to take that as a confirmation. Is there anything else that you want to speak with us about? Why exactly are you frightened of Jesus Christ? You said old roads. Did you mean that metaphorically or
What's happened?
I don't know. I don't know what happened. Right now we're doing an investigation and we're just wondering what happened with you.
Tremendous.
I feel like that's pretty tremendous as well. It's been kind of on point. Lily, are you good or bad? He's lifting his head up like he heard something, but I'm just going to be blunt. Are you demonic force or are you?
Insanity.
Oh, okay. Huh. You're insane.
Think
Are you insane? Am I insane?
Spanish.
Hola, ¿cómo está? What are you doing here? Did you die here? Or did you die elsewhere? Where? It's embarrassing. Scared me. Are you there, Lily? Who am I talking to now? Is anyone there? Or are you ignoring us? In a minute. We'll give it 4 more minutes. He's probably listening to music right now. Because what it does is it skips through a bunch of stations, and supposedly what happens is whenever it like the spirits talk, it picks.
And faith.
And faith.
The light, cold.
It is. It's very cold, and the lights they're beautiful, but they're
Spanish.
it just,
97.8.
it just went halfway again. Is there any other spirits out there that want to speak to us? It sounds like we lost Lily. If you want to, my friend's right there. You can speak through him, and he'll let me know what you say.
Yeah.
So it sounds like it died down, but did we had a conversation?
Did we?
I asked who we were speaking to, and as soon as I asked who we were speaking to or if anyone was out there, you said Lily. I said,
Oh yeah, that's one of the first things that I heard.
yeah, and I was like, oh, what I say? I said something along the lines with, what are you doing here? And then it said afraid. I said, what are you afraid of? It said Jesus Christ, and I was like, well, that's not good. I was like, are you? And then it hit me, and I was like, are you the thing that we smelled earlier? And yeah, I'd have to show you the footage because I can't remember exactly what the conversation was because I was like, but it was clear. It was a clear conversation, and then it was like she just went away. Oh, I said, why are you afraid of Jesus Christ? And she said, old roads. So I don't know if she meant that metaphorically or what. And then I was like, is there anyone else out there that wants to talk? Seems like that we lost Lily. And it said, like, is it was like cold. It's cold, and the lights. I think the lights are bugging, like are bugging it. So it's pretty decent. It was a pretty decent one. Not bad for the first try.
So the bridge worked better for this than down there.
Yeah, down there we got ignored and they were amongst themselves.
I feel like down there, I don't know if it's the lights, if it's the power grid. I feel like something like that is setting off the.
Yeah, I feel like that could be debunked as well because if you guys could see out there, there's a big power lines. The only thing that is getting to me is just the fact that I went near that that light pole, and there's wires all through that thing, and it went completely green.
Yeah, but for me, it's weird that it didn't. Because while he did the Estes method down there, he set it down by his feet and it didn't flicker. It just stayed steady in the yellow, like the third light, just steady the whole time. It didn't flicker, didn't go down, didn't go up, nothing.
So maybe it's power lines that run underneath the ground to that.
Yeah, yeah.
Because those lights right there have to be connected somehow, and I think it's underground. And
I mean, it definitely doesn't help that we're outside. You know what I mean? So who knows what kind of interference we're getting from or whatever we're testing.
but next time we do this, prayerfully, we'll well the next big one is supposed to be the hotel that we're going to. Um, that is what was it? There's a little girl who died there, and they have their very own shadow man. If you guys don't know what a shadow man is, usually it's a demonic entity. You'll hear it a lot of times if you watch certain videos, but we're trying to get that one. The only thing is funding.
Your boy's broke.
Yeah, we're broke right now. We got rent due. We need to live, and our rent's way too high, and we work at a convenience store. So,
Sadly.
but until next time, I hope you guys have a great day.